Hello. Remember that Stuffies video where I said this? I love puppets too, but I'll make a video of that later. And it's been 6 months since I made that video. So here we go. Bang. 3, 2, 1. My very first Stuffy puppet is Skunky. Here's a picture of him. Hello, I'm Skunky. Move over, Skunky. This is time for Birdie. But he's gonna lame. Don't tell him I said that. There he is. Hello. Elephant, what are you doing? What I want. Take a chill pill, dude. Fine. Oh. Here's Tiger. He's kind of snotty. Ugh. What did you just say? Nothing. He's from my sister, Katie. Here's a link to her channel. Here's Wilson the Bilson. I love him. Still, Skunky's the best. BTW? This used to be a show on Awesome Squad TV. And then I shut it down, the channel down. I really want to recreate it. Last but not least is Slappy. Why'd you wake me up to my lap, you little butt? Boo-ba-doo-ba-dooch. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Here's K Squad, my channel, Bookshelf, and here's some more videos by watching on my channel.